Exercise number 11. I will divide both sides by 2 cos theta. 2 cos 2 theta. So this is 2 to 2 cancel out. This is tan 2 theta. Cos cancel out. This is going to be half. So tan 2 theta is half equals 0.5. Then we have to solve this one. 2 theta equal what is the range given? 0 get. So this is 2 theta, this is theta. So I'll match with the interval 720. 2 theta, let 2 theta equal x. Tan x equal half, x equal tan inverse half. And yes, that is going to be 26.57. So this is positive. It means it is in first quadrant and the third quadrant. First quadrant, third quadrant. So first angle is 26.57 we'll get from the first quadrant. The second one is 180 plus 26.57 6. So that is 260.57. Now we have to add 360s to here or minus, and we can adjust with the, so it's no point of going backward left side taking 360 down because the minimum is 0. We'll add to 360 26.57 360 and 5718 381 57. If you add another 360, I think it is more than 720, and that's all. Then we'll add to 360 to this one, 5766 566.57. So those are the angles. So we have 4 angles. This is x equal 26.56. Then the smaller one is 206.57. Then 381.57 and 566.57. So this is 2 theta equal 26.57 566.57, and theta equal, I need to divide this by 2. Cos theta plus 75 0.5 we need to solve, will match with the angle as well. So 0 plus 75, theta plus 75, and 360 plus 75. So then this is 75, theta plus 75, and 435. And this is going to be theta plus 75 is x. Cos x equals 0.5. X 435. X equal cos inverse 0.5. So x is 60. Now this is positive value. So it is in first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So we'll start with here theta equals 61 and theta equal uh, 320, sorry, 300. This is 60. Now other one is 420. When add at 6, this is going to be 660. So now I can see that 60 is out of range. It is less than 75. So it is out, and 420 also out. It is greater than only one answer I can see. Actually 420 is fine because it is less than 435. This is out, and there are two answers, 300 and 420. Now theta means, sorry, x mean theta plus 75 equal 300 and 420. Then theta equal 300 minus 75 and 400 minus 75. This is 225 and 440, 345. Sine 2 theta equal uh, 0.7, 0 greater than 360. This is 230. 2 times 0, 230. This is 0, 230 and 720. Let 2 theta equal x, then sine x equals 0 point x, 0 greater than x greater than 720. X equals sine inverse 0.7, which is 44.4. Sine is positive on first and second quadrant. This is the first one, and the second one, this one, it means 180 minus 44.4. The other one is 135.6. Now we have to add 2 minus 360 to these two. Now minimum is 0, so we don't need to take 360s out from this answer. We will add. So 360 plus 44 plus 4, 404. Next one, another one is more than 320, and this one 135.6, 404.4, 540. Sorry, this has to be 360, not so 360, 659, 495.6. Now theta equal 44.4, 130.6, and 404.4 and 495.6. This is not theta x, I take as x, and then x mean 2 theta is this thing, then theta mean this whole 1 divided by 2. So theta equal answer is going to be this is now this is a over b This is A over B equals C over D form now. By cross multiply, and now I'm expanding, and this is going to be, so I'll bring it right side, cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x equal 2 minus, this is half. 3 cos 2x equal 1.5, 3 over 2. 3 to 3 cancel out, cos 2x equal half. Range is this one. To match with this 2x, I'll multiply by 2, then 2x, and 270 double 540. This is the range. Now cos 2x equal theta, then theta equal cos inverse half, which is 60. Now this is 0 theta 540. Cos is positive on first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So all angles should be more than 0. So then first one branch is 60, the other one is theta is 300. Then I will add 360 to here to get next one 420, and this is if I add, this is going to be 600 more than 540. I think this is, those are the angles. So theta mean 2x. So 2x equals 60, 300, 420. X equals 60 divided by 2, 300 to 400 to divide by 2, 30, 150, and 210. We have option, this is cos theta to turn into sine theta, number 14. For sine theta to cos theta. But since this is cos theta, we have no option. We have to leave the cos theta and turn all the sine to cos. So 2 cos square theta minus cos theta minus equal 1 minus cos square theta. So this will become 3, and 3 cos square theta minus cos theta, this is going to be minus 2 equal 0. When you factorize this one, 3 cos theta plus 2 cos theta minus 1 equals 0. So 3 cos theta plus 2 equals 0, or cos theta equal 1. So cos theta equal minus 2, or cos theta equal 1. So theta equal cos inverse. Okay, now there are two answers, so we have to deal with this for two answers. Cos theta equal minus 2 over 3. So theta equal cos inverse minus 2 over 3, then theta equal 131.8. So this is a obtuse angle. We'll find the acute angle, 180 minus 131.8 to 48.2. So this is 131.8, and this is 48.2. 48.2. Cos is negative 1, second and third. So this is theta equal 131.81. The other angle is this one, 180 plus 48.2 to 8 to 228.2. And if that's all, we can take from there. And so other answer is cos theta equal 1, theta equal cos inverse 1, which is 0, and the other one, if you look at the graph, other one is 360. Then the final answer for this one is theta equals 0, 131.8 and 228.2. Question number 15. A, you can say wrong additional solution. So sine 3x is half, then 3x is sine inverse half, then 3x equal 30, and now what will happen? This is second quadrant, positive first and the second. This is 30, this is 30, so this angle is 150. So the first two lot, one is x 30, 3x equal 30, and other has to be 3x equal 185, not 5, not 170. If we have 30, then usually we get 180 minus 30, 150. So if you divided by 3 and x equal 10, and if you get 180 minus 10, it is a wrong answer. To avoid this mistake, that's why we take let 3x equal theta, then this is going to be theta. This is also theta, this is also theta, like that. Other one is need a full interval solution. Part B, now we have to work this one out. Sine 3x equal half, and what is the range given? Minus 360, x and 360. Now this is 3x, so I want to multiply, so this is 1080 greater than 3x greater than 1080. There are going to be a lot of answers. So let 3x equal theta. Now you know that to avoid that mistake we do. Now this is theta and 1080. I take 3x equal theta. Now theta equal sine inverse half. Theta equals 60. Now earlier we saw that 60 and other set of answer is what? 150. No, I'm wrong actually. Should be this is 60, this is 60, this is 120, not 150. For the first explanation in my sum, 150 minus 180 minus 60, 120. So instead of that, I think I explained 3x equal 30, and then the other answer is 180 minus 30. No, that's right. This is wrong. So this has to be 30. Then the other one is 150. Sorry about this. No, let's find one here 30, other is 150. Let's add 360. So this is 390. So this is 390 plus 360. Now I found the major two numbers. Then I add 360 and I take away 360 from here. Then again I subtract 360 from here. Get this one and I go to left, and so same as this one. There are lots of answers. Now this is equal to 3x. Now I can divide. So the answer is going to be, so this is 3x answers. Now I need x. I need to divide by 3 now. So the final answer is going to be this one. Question number 16. Um, you can see the sketch. This is y equal 3 sine x. It will bouncing in between minus plus 2 to minus 3, and y equal 2 cos x. It is bouncing in between 2 to minus 2. So we can see that two uh, solutions, two intersecting point. It means if we, how do you find the intersect point of those two? So we want to solve these simultaneously. Basically, we can equal those two. 3 sine x equal 2 cos x. Then tan x equal 2 over 3. So x equal tan inverse 2 over 3. So which is 33.7. So tan is positive on uh, first and the third. So this is 33.7. This is 33.7. So one is this one. The other one is this 180 plus 33.7, 213.7. We need to find the value of cos b. So this is the angle, so it's going to be cos rule. Cos b means this angle, then the two person behind both sides 6 square plus 11 square, and the front person minus, and 2 times the behind guys 267. So you get answer is 9 over 11 cos b. And this is b. Cos mean 9 over 11. Sin mean 11 square minus 9 square square root from the Pythagoras theorem, which is going to be square root 40. So sin b equal is square root 40 over 11. That is 4 times 10, which is 2 times square root 10 over 11. The other method is sin b equal square root 1 minus cos square b. You can work out the positive ones. We can use the sine rule to find sine q. Sine q equal over 6 equal sine 45 over 5. So sine q equals 6 times 5 over 1 over square root 2. Then by rationalizing, this is cancel out 3 square root over 5. This value is roughly 50.8 something. It means this angle if q is acute, we'll find cos q. Cos q mean 1 minus sine square q. Then you will get cos q is square root 7 over 5. But q is obtuse. Then angle in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Hence cos q equal minus this value. Question number 19. This one we want to show that this is, when you look at, you will see that cos is missing. So 3 sine square x minus 1 minus sine square x equal to 3 sine square x minus 1 plus sine square equal to, so this is going to be 3 plus 1, 4 sine square minus 1 plus 3. Then sine square equal 3 over 4. Sine x equal plus or minus square root 3 over 2. So with the acute value, sine x value x is 60, because x equals sine inverse square root 3 over 2 is 60, and this is plus or minus all the quadrant we need. It means 60, 60, 60 and 60. So answer we need in between minus 180 theta to 180. So first answer is 60. The second answer is 120. Third and fourth doesn't work. It is more than 180. It will come like this. Instead of taking, so this is going to be minus 60. The other one is minus 120. If you are not sure, you can work uh, two equations. Sin x equals square root 3 over 2. Other one is sin x minus square root 3 over 2. You will get those answers. See, this is 1 minus sine square x, because we have to turn cos to sine, because this is sine, plus 1 equal 4 sine x, 3 minus 3 sine square, plus 1 equal 4 sine x. I'll bring to left side everything. 3 plus 1, 4. This is minus 3 sine square x. This is become minus 4 sine x equals 0. So I'll multiply everything by minus 1. Then this is become 3 sine square minus plus 4 sine x minus 4 equals 0. This is look like 3a square plus 4a minus 4 equals 0. So we can factorize this one. 3 sine x minus 2 sine x plus 2 equals 0. Sine x equal 2 over 3 and sine x equal minus 2. X equals sine inverse 2 over 3, and this is for this one no solution, because it is not in between the interval. Sine x should be minus 1 to plus 1. This answer is out of interval. Now we'll take this one, sine inverse 2 over 3. We need minus 360 to 360 answer. So this is going to be 41.8, and sine is positive on first quadrant and the second quadrant. So one answer is this one, the other answer is this. 180 minus 41.8. So this is 138.8. So if I add 360 to 88, it is out of range. If I take 360 out from here, it is minus 300.2. And if I take 360 out from here, it is minus 2 to 1.8. So those are the four answers for this equation.